Welcome. As you experience NSA Care, your body is learning a skill. And this is where NSA chiropractic differs greatly from traditional chiropractic, in which you may hear a crack or a pop with the adjustment. In that type of chiropractic care, you may get adjusted, experience an endorphin release from the vertebrae moving, but then go out to your car or back to your desk at work and notice that the same pattern of tension develops. One of the reasons Dr. Scott and I decided to practice NSA chiropractic is that instead of adjusting the same vertebrae over and over again, we want to teach your body an absolute skill of how to handle stress more effectively and for the brain to recognize how it is carrying stress so the nervous system can implement strategies to release tension throughout everyday life. This process happens in NSA Care as we move your body through levels of care. Level 1 is where most people starting care begin. And level 1 of care, the contacts are intentionally very brief and gentle. The strategy we are teaching your body is for your brain to find and connect to stored stress patterns in the spine. Most issues that people come to our office with are not going to be solved by doing a simple set of stretches. Instead, the body moved into a physiological pattern of stress years ago and is continuing to support that pattern of stress throughout how the brain is signaling to the nerves, bones, tendons, ligaments, and muscles. This signaling pattern is ineffective and may be causing dysfunction and pain. And if it has affected the body for long enough, it could also be creating arthritis. The goal in level 1 is for then the body to release stored tension in the spinal cord and nerves, so the bones, tendons, ligaments, and muscles can be more peaceful. As this tension is released, the spine can start to function in improved ways, mainly allowing the brain to provide the correct information to the body's physiology. Over time, level 1 is associated with tremendous amounts of stress relief and healing. As tension is released, the spine can move into the improved alignment, allowing spinal curvatures and posture to improve as well. The next critical stage of level 1 of care is the development of what is called the Somata respiratory wave. When most people start care, there is very little breath that moves through the body. We will tell you this many times, but please start your experience on the chiropractic table by focusing on your breathing, in through the nose, out through the mouth. As tension continues to be released through the adjustment, you will notice that it becomes easier to take deeper, fuller breaths. Eventually, it should be visible for the spine to move in a full breath wave, meaning throughout the adjustment, the entire spine from the tailbone to the upper neck moves with a single breath. This is visualized as the somata, meaning body, respiratory, meaning breath wave. This wave is associated with increased healing and activation of the parasympathetic nervous system, putting the body in an incredible state of healing and repair. When people start care with fight or flight physiology, by the time the full breath wave is learned by the brain, typically fight or flight physiology has completely dissipated. Breath moving fully through the spine also helps to move spinal fluid through the spinal canal, bringing nourishment to the discs and the nerves. There are times throughout level 1 of care in which the adjustments may cause soreness, especially when there are chronic issues that are healing, especially arthritic issues. Realize that the brain is connecting to areas that it has ignored for years. Between this awareness, as well as the bony part of the spine releasing tension into the muscles so the spine may move more effectively, soreness may occur. Typically, this is a great sign of change and improvement as the spine is healing. Please communicate with Dr. Scott and myself if you are experiencing this. The magnesium sulfate in Epsom salt baths can relieve some of the soreness as well as making sure to keep your body well hydrated. Keeping consistency in your adjustment schedule and that frequency is key to working through this and moving forward in the process of healing. There are lots of wonderful things like massage and acupuncture that actually release tension for you. But the difference with NSA Care is that we want your body to start to learn how to do this for itself, as well as actually shift, change, and heal. Level 1 plays a huge role in the body's ability to decrease tension, gain healthy movement patterns, as well as posture, improve spinal health, and also improve the function and the healing of your body. Future videos will discuss level 2 and beyond in NSA Care. Create health by choice, not by chance.